Hello guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to send a voice recording as a message on the Signal application. But first I just want to mention, don't forget to subscribe to my channel because at 100,000 subscribers I am going to show you my whole YouTube revenue statistics and growth strategy, how to make money online. Now let's jump into it. First of all, open the application on your phone. After that, click on the chats icon down below in the left side corner and click on the chat group. Then in the right side corner down below you have the microphone icon, so tap on it. Then you should press and hold in order to record your sound, and when you are done you should be able to send it. So here is the voice recording that you can listen to, and as you hold your finger on it you have the chance to reply to it, react to the message with these emojis. You can check out the info and you can also delete the message. So that's pretty much it for this video guys. See you in the next one. Bye bye.